I'm excited to try this. I saw this from a YouTuber that I follow. Look at this. Fresh. Oh, by the way, I have this new picture that I got from Lake Tahoe. I think it's kind of cool for a background. Let me know what you guys think. This is a little bit different. I don't know. But yeah, this is pretty good, actually. Now, this YouTuber I follow, I found her. She lives in my area. And I know where she lives. Not the address, but I know she lives locally. Someone told me I should collab with her, and I would love to collab with her, but she is so busy. She has 2 kids. Lives in an apartment. Takes her son to baseball games, or I don't know what kind of games he does. But some kind of games. Takes her other son to movies and just different activities. Work full time. And she's local in my area. It'd be cool to meet her. I would love to show another YouTuber and collab with another YouTuber. That'd be kind of cool. What do you guys think? If that's a good idea, go ahead and go to her channel videos and let her know we should collab. I have 2 channels, so I have a Karebear channel, a vlogging channel, and an eating channel, which is this channel. Anyway, she made this meal with rice, which would be kind of like an Asian meal, with rice and like this. But I want it to be a low carb, a little bit healthier to unbloat me. Okay. I say when I travel, I come back and make a healthy meal like this. That should be my goal. But anyways, my trip was a really good trip. I went to Lake Tahoe, about 34 hours from here. Really cool. The first day I found a place that had fish tacos, and decided to eat at the restaurant. And the fish tacos were really good. I went live on my YouTube channel. If you guys are on live, thank you for watching and commenting and chatting it up. And then later that night, I went live again and played the slot machines. Didn't win, but it was fun to play. Went to bed, woke up. The next day was a pretty busy day. I got a tuna fish sandwich at my favorite cafe, Sprouts Cafe. They have great food, healthy smoothies, juices, sandwiches, salads. It's a really healthy place, And yeah, after that, I went to the lake. That was really fun. I drove to another beach. Even though it cost $12, I decided I'll do something different for my vlog. Show you guys a new beach that costs $12 for the day. For one person just seeing it's not worth the $12, but if you were there as a family or a few friends, you guys can share the price. It's not a problem. It had a cool vibe. It was a bigger beach than the lake, I guess, and it had like a bar. You can order drinks, you can have pizza or food, like hamburgers. So it's a really cool beach. I forget what the beach was called, but I'll probably put it down here. So guys, from that beach, I tried to get back to my hotel room. It sure took me 15 to 20 minutes. It took me like an hour and 10 minutes. There was so much traffic. There was so much maintenance, especially right there in my hotel. I couldn't even exit the front. I had to go all the way in the back to get out of the hotel because there was doing so much maintenance. It was crazy. I don't know if because of the summer it's been so busy, but it was just like a lot of traffic that day. The next day, I was like, I don't know if I should actually let it talk in the summer again. Then I got a massage, which is actually the only thing I was looking forward to, honestly. Just relax and get in a massage. It was a really good massage. It was a hot stone massage. Kind of pricey, $145, but it was a specialty. Hot stones cost more money. Massages have gone up as well. But it was like 75 minutes of hot stone, aromatherapy, reflexology. The massage therapist was pretty good. I would probably rate her 6.5 out of 5 for the massage. Maybe the reflexology is 7 out of 10. And then maybe the whole massage 6.5 out of 5. There's a few things I didn't like about her. But one thing was she kept clearing her throat like at least 4 different times. And that was just kind of, I was trying to relax. And when she cleared her throat, it just woke me up. And it made the massage not as relaxing. And after the massage, I could hear her coughing a lot. Like it was almost in her lungs. I don't know if she was sick. And guys, that was one of the reasons why I haven't got a massage in so long. It's been a year because I was ready to get sick. So hopefully I don't get sick. Another thing I didn't particularly like, I mean, it was generally a really good massage, but there's a couple of things. I'm just nitpicking the massage, but is when she said what I want to work on is my neck and my shoulder. And I feel like she could have done more work on my neck and shoulder. But overall, it was a pretty good massage. She used a lot of essential oils, a lot of peppermint and orange and spearmint. And it just, after the massage, my whole body was tingling. So I really liked that a lot, actually. Yeah, so it's a pretty good massage. And after that, I went to find a place to have dinner. I decided I'm going to eat at the restaurant. And because I think that day I did a video by the lake eating a too much sandwich, and I'm not really sure about, because I filmed, it was really cool. I filmed inside, it was like inside the restaurant, but it was a patio, I guess outside. And I can kind of hear the traffic of the cars. So I'm hoping that video turns out. I haven't even, well, you'll probably see the video by the time you see this way. But as of right now, I haven't edited the video out. And I wondered if I should film at the lake. I just wanted my food to be hot. If I filmed at the lake, my fries I know would have been cold and I wouldn't have enjoyed it that much. So that's why I filmed at the restaurant. And after I ate, I decided I just want to go home. Start going back to my hotel room. All that traffic getting from the beach to my hotel, an hour and just 10 minutes just for stop and go for an hour and 10 minutes. I was just like, I just want to relax. So I didn't really do that much when I came back to my hotel room. I was going to edit some videos, but I was so tired. I think for the massage. But I felt relaxed. The last few times I went to Lake Tahoe was in the spring, like around April. And I wasn't as busy. I feel like this time was more busy. Because we're in the summer. In June. But yeah, I had a good time. Just a getaway. Good for the channel too, because I could try some new food for you guys. And you know, my weekly vlogs can probably are just boring sometimes. I just do my daily activities so I could have a trip to go to. But let me know what you want to see on this channel, on my vlogging channel. I wonder if I should travel more. Let me know what because you guys are the viewers. So what do you want to see me do? Travel videos. I can meet a subscriber on here. If you guys are in the Bay Area, we can have lunch. I think you guys really liked when I filmed with Karen and Damhead, the subscribers I met in Vegas. So I go to Vegas. I was thinking just today, you know, what do my subscribers want? What do they like? Do they like my weekly vlogs? Do they like fast food reviews? Let me know. Do they like me eating at a new cafe? So I'm thinking about going to Sacramento. It's between an hour to an hour and a half wherever in that area. I want to try like a new coffee shop, a new place to eat. Maybe check out some parks. Or some nature areas. I don't know. I was kind of hard with my schedule because on Sundays I had to be at work at 4 p.m. at Walmart, which is crazy. It's just like, and it takes me an hour and a half to 2 hours to get to Sacramento. It's just going to be really pushing it. But there's one Sunday in a few weeks I don't have to work at Walmart until 4:30 on Sunday. So I could probably do something. Get up early in the morning, go to Sacramento, have a nice day, then go there and go to Walmart. I think I could make it work. And it's been so nice lately. I just want to go out and just enjoy the nature. I don't want to be home all day. I mean, I do work a lot, so I'm kind of out and about. But it'd be nice to like venture out, new city, meet new people. That'd be really fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely recommend this. It's really good. Even though I didn't follow her recipe exactly, I did add some of my own seasonings and just added some seasonings that I had in stock. It actually was really good. I have a little bit left over, maybe for lunch or dinner tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video, guys. Peace.